Okay, I've done a little coloring and now, and I want to point out a few things. So notice again, I'm trying to make the colors match exactly. So even my mug, I know it's white, but when I go to color it, I actually have to color it gray to make it match because the edges are white, but there's shadows all over on it. So I used the gray a lot on this white cup to make it match, if that makes sense. And then notice how on my tea, even though I knew it was this brown color, if I started coloring, when I colored the brown right here, it matched. But when I colored it up here, it didn't because the tea fades, it gets lighter as it goes out to the edge. So I had to press really hard here with my brown and then not press as hard here and then add a little yellow to it. So I really want you to pay attention to making sure the colors match exactly. Okay, same way here. This started, I don't have a lot of colors, so if I just did the plain yellow, it didn't match. But if I put a little brown on top of my yellow right here, then it matched pretty good. Okay, so I really want you to try to work on matching your colors really well. So I'm going to keep coloring and I'll keep showing you what it's looked like. Okay, I'm still coloring. I don't know if there's anything I should point out on this other than uh, just take your time, color well, fill in all the spots, go right to the edges so you don't have to go back and fix it later. So don't leave blank white in spots, just fill it in really nicely and I'll just keep right on going. Okay, so my drawing's coming along, and one tip I wanted to give you right now is you'll see like I colored a lot of details in on my inner tube here and on my frog. And the only way to do that well with a colored pencil is to keep your colored pencil sharp. Okay, so let me show you the difference. It is impossible to do details with a colored pencil that looks like this, guys. Okay, you cannot, and it's just hard to color. So keep it sharp. This is what you want your tip to look like. Okay, keep it sharp and then you'll be able to use your details. Also, if you notice, like right here, I don't know if you can see it, but right here it looks kind of scratchy. That's because my pencil got too dull and the wood of my pencil scratched on my paper a little bit. And so if you let your pencil get too dull, it will do that. It'll make scratchy lines. So you want to make sure you keep your pencil sharp as you color. Okay. Okay, I wanted to talk about another thing that I did. So you'll see this plant right here, and you'll notice how you can tell the different leaves or part of the plant. And the reason you can do that is because I ever so slightly changed my green. So on this one right here, I used a darker shade of green than I had on these. Or you can use the same color of green and then just put like a little brown into it in a couple places, a couple leaves to make the leaves look different. Okay, and that makes it look more real and it looks like there's leaves overlapping each other because I made the one a little bit of a different color. Okay. Okay, I think I'm all done. Hopefully you can tell I tried to match up my colors pretty close. Okay, and I hope you enjoyed this project. It's just kind of a fun thing. This is something you could do at home anytime if you wanted to practice your drawing skills. Just cut out a little picture of a magazine, glue it on a paper, and it's good for your creativity too, okay? See you soon. Bye.